Good evening, traders. This is Brian from TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the S&P E-mini futures. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis. Today is Thursday, May 26th, 2011. We had 9 valid trade setups for a potential profit of 3 ES ticks. At 8:30 this morning, we had the GDP, which came out as expected. The unemployment numbers were slightly worse than expected. We do trade the news events. We talk about it, but I cannot, for the purposes of this trade, count this. But we had positive 19 ES ticks pre-market. I can't count it because we don't. This is a no trade zone according to our basic rules. At 9:30, the market opened up at 13.15, and we don't trade the first 15 minutes of the day. You'll notice this white line is the opening price. We immediately at around 9:46 had an opportunity to get long. We hit our target 1, but got stopped out for -2 ticks. Shortly thereafter, we had an opportunity to get short, going right through opening price. Target 1 was hit, but we got stopped out for another -2 ticks. In the trade room, we also watched a little bit larger time frame and had an opportunity to get into target 1 and target 2 for +12 ticks. But again, for the purposes of this video, I cannot count that because it was not a valid trade setup according to the trading manual. You'll notice that the opening price at 13.15 operates as a congestion area period of consolidation, and a lot of traders do not trade during this 15-minute range. However, for the purposes of the manual, we had another opportunity to get long. Target 1 was hit and took a stop for -2 ticks. Shortly thereafter, another opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 for 12 ES ticks. Continuing on into the day, just prior to the lunch zone, we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit, and just notice we started going to serious consolidation here. We took a loss for -2 ticks. And then going into the no trade zone starts at 11:30. Right about 11:25, we had an opportunity to get long for target 1 and target 2. If you get into the trade prior to the no trade zone, it's not a problem holding on to it for targets 1 and targets 2 for +8 ticks. This no trade zone from 11:30 until about 1:15 in the afternoon is a period of time of lower volume and higher volatility. We simply do not trade that time frame. We also had a signature trade going on. It's more on a weekly basis, and we had an opportunity to get 24 ES ticks. Again, I cannot count these because this is not according to the trading manual. I just want you to know that there are about 9 different trade setups we do follow in the Shark Den, and you're more than welcome to check those out sometime. We did not have any other opportunities to get into trades until right there at around 3:23 Eastern Standard Time. And I think, if I remember correctly, in the Shark Den, we got into that trade, and immediately there was something that triggered. I got everybody out very quickly. And but if you go according to the trading manual and you did not have me to talk to you about that, you would have taken 16 ES ticks as a loss. Shortly thereafter, and had another opportunity to get, let's see what that was. That was long. Target 1 was hit, but we still ended up with a -2 loss. And then going into the close, had another opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for 9 ES ticks. So all in all, it was a very aggressive day. We ended up with 9 trades for 3 ES ticks, according to the trading manual. However, all in all, I think people did much better than that in the chat room, primarily because there's other setups that we use. So I wanted to thank you for watching. For any other advanced trade setups, or to view our trading manual, or to join the Shark Den, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening.